Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at the Tesla Mezcal. Lots of paper in there to protect it. And then it comes in this bag. You could hardly see it, but it says right there 43%, 750 milliliters, 100%. And it is kind of like this matte black finish. Go ahead and take that off. There is a layer of padding that's kind of glued in there. And then here it is. So it's got the nice cutout there to protect it. It's got this stand, Tesla logo right there. You can see a government warning, produced in Mexico in partnership with Nosotros. So this is basically the mezcal that already existed and they just put the Tesla branding on it. And you can see it's got like authentication there or something like that. And then you've got the tape to show that it's sealed. And you can hear it inside there. This is the cap, so I'm sure you just like twist that off. It's got some threads on it probably. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.